fine every time. Now, I'm math teacher. From previous lesson, we reading and learned which number. Who can told me we reading which number? We reading this new number. Which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one? Or 6? We reading this number 6. Okay. Now we will make a quick review from previous lesson. Okay. Now all of you, what's this number? Who can tell me what's this number? This number 1. What's this number? Can you repeat after me? This number 1. Okay. And after number 1, we have which number? Who can tell me what's this number? This number 2, right? Yes, well done. This is number 2. After number 2, we have which number? What's this number? This number 3, right? Of course, this is number 3. After number 3, we have number 5. No, we have number 4. So what's this number? This is number 4. Well done. And after number 4, we have which number? This number 6? No. And what's this number? This number 5. Very good. After number 5, from previous lesson, we learned this new number is which number? What's this number? This number 6. Can you repeat after me, all of you? What's this number? This number 6. Excellent, great job. And so, what's this number? This number 1. And what's this number after number 1? We have number 2. After number 2, we have number 4? No, we have number 3. Okay? After number 4, after number 3, we have number, what's this number? Is this number 5? No. After number 3, we have number 4. Okay? And after number 4, we have number 5. What's this number? This is number 5. And after number 5, from previous lesson, we're reading this, which number? What's this number? We're reading this number 6. Told me, how writing this number 6? Writing this number 6 by this way. So, writing number 6 by this way. What's this number? This number 6. I'm writing by this way. Okay? And in this lesson, we're reading this new number. After number 6, we're reading this number is number 7. So, what's this number? This number 7. Okay? So, after number 6, we're reading this new number is number 7. How writing this number 7? Okay, by this way. So, is number 7 or is number 7. So, we can write number 7 by 2 ways. One way, you can write by this way, and another way, you can write it by this way. Okay? So, what's this number? This number 7. After number 6, we have which number? We have number 7. So, from this lesson, we learned how writing number 7, how counting number 7, and how reading number 7. Okay? So, after number 6, we have which number? We have number 7. After number 6, we have which number? We have number 7. Can you repeat after me? After number 6, we have which number? We have number 7. Great job. Which number? What's this number? This number 7. How writing number 7? By two ways. By one way, we can write him by this way. Another way, we can write him by this way. كاتا قلت جوانا كانوا لدوان نمبر 6 كلواني بيشوا خير ما شون نمبر 6 نسري نمبر كي نفر وين واني أمر منا أيشيا نمبر 7 جماعة حوتا بدو رجع نسري يا أتواني بمجرد بنسي يا أتواني بمشوي بنسي وهردو رجع كاش راسا كاتا. Let's count in all of you all number. What's this number? This number 2? No. What's this number? This number 3. And what's this number? This number 4? No. What's this number? This number 5. And what's this number? This number 6. After 6, we're reading which number? What's this number? This number 7. Let's count in all of you all number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's count in. This ice cream, okay? We have which ice cream? 1. And we have which ice cream? 2. After 2, we have 3. So, from here, we have which ice cream? 3. After 3, we have 4. After 4, we have 5. After 5, we have 6. After 6, let's count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, we have 7. So we have the 7 of ice cream. Let's count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now, this is dice. I'm a chia, I'm a zara. Basha. لسه هيك بلم وانا كان بوينتك مانه كان خالك مانه باشا اسا ايما باش. From the space we have which point? 3? No, let's counting. 1, 2. We from on this dice we have 2 points from on the space. Now, from here we have which point from on this dice? Let's counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have which point? 4. From here, we have which point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 points. From here, we have which point? We have 1 point. From here, we have how many points? Let's count in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 points on this face on the dice. Now, okay, all of you told me from on this picture we have how many this lion from in this picture? We have 1 lion. چی من هی؟ لیرک چند lion من هی؟ یک دانه وایا. From here we have which frog from on we have how many frog from in this picture? Let's count in. 1, 2, 3. So this number 3. And from here we have how many chicken? Let's count in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 from in this picture. Now after this we have let's going to see some picture or some video. Okay, from in this picture we have how many do you have of this cup? كم شي لمن هي لمنية قولوا جوانا كانم. Let's count in بابيان شوي باشا. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have how many which cards? We have 7 cards. So this number 7. How writing this number 7? Writing all of you with me. All of you write with me. Write number 7 by this way. It's so easy, right? So this is number 7. Let's start from here and end from here. كانت اللي رودس بيكين واللي رشوكو تايكين. بمجولا number 7. So how many cats from in this picture? Let's count it. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 cats from in this picture. After this picture, we have this video to see. To see this video.
Smile and learn.
Good morning, everyone. Let's give a huge round of applause to my friend, number 7. Howdy doody. How are you doing? I'm number 7. I'm going to tell you a few things about me. Remember, I've got a song ready for you in the end. Don't go very far. Let's start saying my name. Repeat after me. 7. 7. Can't hear you. 7. Awesome. Do you want to learn how to write number 7? Don't miss any details. We start right here, tracing a straight line. Now we draw a line all the way down. One more little line to go. It goes right here. Try it at home using some paper and a pencil. Easy peasy, right? You want to look at some examples? Whoa, the sky! How many stars can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 stars in the sky. Do you know how many colors there are in a rainbow? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. How many baby chickens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 baby chickens. We're going to be singing later, friends. Yum! Cupcakes. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 cupcakes. Way to go, friends! Baby chickens, will you sing along with me? 7 baby chickens in the nest. My, oh my. They look so stressed. Seeing little chicks sing along, scare away your fear in a blink, my dear.
Now, so what's this number? This number 7. How writing this number 7? By this way. We will start from here and end from here. How writing this number 7? Repeat after me. Write by this way. Write by this way. We will start from here and end from here. So write number 7 by this way. Okay? All of you repeat after me. This number 7, so easy. So is number 7. كواتا اما تشيبو number 7 بو بمرقة آسانة شواني من number 7 ننوسيني باشا لدوا اما تشي من هيا چنمينكي كمان هيا ايش شي okay? Now from here, from in this picture, how many apples from in this picture? All of you, let's count it from with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. we have 7 apples from here. And from in this picture, how many flowers from here? All of you, let's count in from with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 flowers from here. Now we have this video to watching. Let's see from in this video.
Seven apples, 7 trees, 7 tiny little buzzing bees, 7 tables, 7 chairs, 7 monkeys jumping over there, 7 candles, 7 flames, 7 smiley happy dancing dames, 7 farmers, 7 books, 7 very hungry sitting ducks, 7 chickens, 7 sheep, 7 frogs getting ready to leap. Look at all these numbers falling from the sky. Let's find them together, looking low and high. 7 apples, 7 trees, 7 tiny little buzzing bees, 7 tables, 7 chairs, 7 monkeys jumping over there, 7 candles, 7 flames, 7 smiley happy dancing dames, 7 farmers, 7 books, 7 very hungry sitting ducks, 7 chickens, 7 sheep, 7 frogs getting ready to leap. The number 7 is special, we can use it every day. So come back soon and sing with us, we're always here to play.
قڵە جوانەکانی من بەم شێوەیە هاتینەوانی کۆتایی ئەی ئەمڕۆ ئێمە فێری لەمڕۆ لەوانی ئەمڕۆ فێری ژمارەیەکی تازە بوون ئەویشی بوو نەمبەر 7 بوو لە ماڵەوە پراکتیکی لەسەرکەم بزانن چۆن ئەنووسێت و هیوادارم باش لەوانی ئەمڕۆ تێگەیشتون تاوانێکی تر خواتان لەگەڵ